Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Gmail. Whether you're reaching out to a colleague, sharing updates with friends, or sending important documents, knowing how to compose and send emails effectively is essential for staying connected. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Gmail by opening your web browser and typing mail.google.com into the address bar. This takes you directly to Gmail's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Go ahead and sign in to access your inbox and email tools. Once you're signed in, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Compose button. This button is typically marked with a plus sign or a pencil icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it, and a new email composition window will pop up on your screen. This is where you'll craft your message from start to finish. The first field you'll see is labeled To. Here, you'll enter the recipient's email address. If you're sending your email to multiple people, simply separate each address with a comma. This ensures everyone you want to reach gets a copy of your message. Next, move down to the subject field. This is where you'll add a brief description of what your email is about. A clear, concise subject line helps your recipient understand the purpose of your message at a glance, making it more likely they'll open and respond to it promptly. Now it's time to write your actual message in the main body area of the Compose window. This is the largest section, giving you plenty of space to communicate your thoughts, share information, or ask questions. Take your time here to ensure your message is clear and conveys exactly what you need it to. Before hitting send, it's important to review your email carefully. Check for any spelling or grammar errors, verify that you've included any necessary attachments, and make sure all the details are accurate. This quick review can save you from potential misunderstandings or the need to send follow-up corrections. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything, look for the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. It's typically a blue button that's hard to miss. Click it, and your email will be on its way to the recipient's inbox. That's all there is to it, a straightforward process that keeps you connected and communicating efficiently. Thanks for watching.